This video is for educational purposes only.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited to bring you one of the biggest hiring opportunities of 2025 for college students, Zoho ClickTricks 2025. If you are looking for a chance to showcase your coding skills and land an internship at Zoho, this is your shot. So let's dive into what Zoho ClickTricks is all about, how you can participate, and most importantly, how you can win. Zoho ClickTricks is a coding contest where you can either build a productivity app using Zoho Click or build a website bot or widget using Zoho Sales IQ. It's a hackathon style contest where you can choose to create an app or a bot. The best part? No interviews required, just show your skills and get hired by Zoho. Here's the best part, anyone can apply. Second year to final year students. If you're pursuing an undergraduate degree in computer science or related fields, you're good to go. You can participate individually or with a partner. You have one submission only, so make it count. Webinars will be available to help you learn Zoho's tools and technologies before the contest. Here's the exciting part. First prize, 1 lakh rupees second prize, 50,000 rupees third prize, 25,000 rupees. But the real highlight? An internship at Zoho, one of the fastest growing tech companies in India. That's the kind of opportunity that can boost your career. Registration is open now. Don't wait. The deadline for registration is November 25th. After registering, you'll receive a welcome email and access to training webinars. You can submit either a Zoho Click extension or a Sales IQ bot/widget. You'll only get one submission, so take your time to finalize it before submitting. You can either use Zoho's programming language or Catalyst by Zoho, supports Java and Python. William M., a past participant, now works at Zoho. You can check out his GitHub to get an idea of what he created in the past contest. I'll drop the link in the description. Make sure you apply today and start preparing for Zoho ClickTricks 2025.